Alright everyone, today we are back at the Yorkdome line crossing in Zephyr. No, not yet. I have to show you a train before I arrived here. So the train I caught is something really more different. This is CNU 713. It's a southbound ethanol train, which is really uncommon for a ballot stop. It's coming from North Bedford, Saskatchewan, and it's heading to Jackson, Mississippi. Normally, once they pass Winnipeg, it will head into the States. But however, due to a flood somewhere, which I'm not sure where it is, they had to make a detour through Ontario. So it has to take the ballots up to Doncaster, the Yorks up to Snyder West, and then the Haltons up to the States. This was originally CNU 756, but they changed IDs at KPO. Reading the train is 3838, who were really also selling K5HLA horn. 3838 actually used to have a K5HL. But I have to say that the engineer did the horn sequence a little bit too late, LOL. Trailing second behind that is 8816. And for rear DPU is 8823. And that has 99 Tango cars. And surprisingly, there wasn't any buffer cars on this train. Normally on ethanol trains like this one, there will be 2 buffer cars at the front and end of the train. After all, this was a loaded ethanol train, so it was carrying dangerous goods. Alright, let's try this introduction again. Alright everyone, today we are back at the Yorkdome line crossing in Zephyr, Mario 44.78 on the Ballot subdivision. So yeah, It's been a few weeks since I was last here when I did the nighttime trip. And today is going to be a really busy day on the battle sub because we got some Detour trains heading our way. You might see one of them, and that's CNU 756. That was before they changed the ID. That train is going on to the Halton today because it's supposed to go through the states, but because there was a flood and I believe I can't remember where it's at, but I think somewhere in the states, they had to detour the states trains through Ontario, so basically they are taking the ballots up today. So yeah, if you take a look, we got a green signal for our southbound. So we got a southbound train coming soon. So yeah, and I'm here today with CM Railfanning. He also came along for a ride as well. So hopefully we will get some really awesome trains and hopefully some more detours as well. I already saw one this morning, and that being CNU 756. So that's why they're doing some detour CN trains today. So yeah, because of a flood in the state somewhere. I'm not sure where. So yeah, I'll pause over now until the first southbound we see here. I'm counting, well, maybe this will be my second train every day because I already caught U756 this morning. So I'll pause over now until I see the first train here. And before we begin, please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. I'll see you in a bit. Pause over now. So the first train we caught was a detour train. This is CN Z112, going from Vancouver to Brampton. It was led by X-Series X3962, but we're really also selling K5HL horn. And the engine will give us a rave. And for rear DPU, it's 3907. And that has 93 rail cars and 272 axles. And all these trains will be going much more slower than usual here. That's because there's a 25 miles per hour speed restriction here.
CN detector, ALA 47. No alarms. Temperature 19. C. Total axle 272. Speed 45.
CN 3962 south, clear signal at the home Zephyr mile 45. Ballast sub restricted to 25 miles per hour at mile 44.8.
The next train we caught is another as-needed train, and that's CMB730, a southbound potash train going from Yarborough, Saskatchewan to St. John's, New Brunswick. This only had one G fuel surprisingly. The rest of the power are 3 AC-44C6 and rebuilt Dash 9s. It was led by XCVX 3954 with a really also said in K5HL horn. Trailing second is 3314, which was originally 2613. And for a mid-DPU, there was 2 units. 3348, which was originally 2636, and 3325, which was originally 2589. And that has 205 potash cars and 844 axles.
CN 3954 South, clear signal Zephyr, mile 45, vowel sub 1 restriction 25 per mile 44.8.
Temperature 19.
The next train we caught is another Detour train, and that's CNQ-132. It's a southbound intermodal train going from Winnipeg to Chicago, Illinois. But because of a flood, 132 had to detour through Ontario. And once it gets to Toronto, it will head west on the Halton Sub. It was fed by 8852, which is a SC70M-2, with a really also sounding K5LA horn. And trailing second is IC2716, a -9. And that has 147 rail cars and 424 axles.
8852 south, mile 45, balance of 125 miles an hour at 44.8, clear signal at Zephyr.
The southbound trains were going to meet with a northbound train at Zephyr. And the northbound train we called is CNQ183, going from Brampton to Prince Rupert, BC. It was set by 3051, but we're really also setting K5HL Horn. And trailing second is 3092. And that has 166 rail cars and 456 axles. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up.
Signal the home at Zephyr. around the box here. You want to give me a shout once you get your reading there? I got a GPO cancellation for you. That's up the bus.
Detector Ala 47. No alarms. Temperature 21C. Total axles 456. Speed 22.
The next and final train that we caught is CNQ 105, going from Montreal to Vancouver. It was led by 3307, a number AC44C6M rebuilt -9. We were really also selling K3 Elhorn. It was originally 2579, and for a rear DPU is 3280. And that has 157 rail cars and 436 axles.
And 105, General Zephyr. North, 145, miles up, 1 restriction. 10 further at the cross, 45 at the cross.
CN detector, Bala, 47. No alarms. Temperature 21C. Total axles 436. Speed 27.
Well, everyone, that's going to be it for this Railfanning trip to Zephyr today. We're going to call it a day because it is starting to rain, you can see. And we were originally going to stay there for CN M313 because 183 and 105 were going to meet it at Brecken. But however, due to it's raining out, we are just going to call it a day. Besides, 313 today doesn't have anything interesting. It has a Jiva leading and a SD70M-2 trailing second. No big deal if we missed that. And that being 3136 and 8836. But oh well, it is what it is. So yeah, glad 105 came along before it started to rain. So yeah, so definitely a perfect way to end the Railfanning trip. So yeah, if you enjoyed all the trains that we caught today, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. And subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. And go subscribe to CN Railfanning because he was there with me. He just called it a day as well, so I'm going to do the same. So yeah, if you want to check him out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. Anyways, until my next Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And that will be it from me. Bye now, and see you next time. Hey everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the Railfanning trip to Zephyr today. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. And go subscribe to CN Railfanning. If you want to check me out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. Anyways, until my next Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And that will be it for the two of us. See you later, guys. Bye now.